Hello and welcome all. Today we are going to look at why transformers are rated on kVA ratings, not kW. That means on kW means the actual power dissipation, and kVA includes not only actual but also reactive power. That means depending upon the load. That means if we say that we are connected an output that contains a resistive and inductive load, and the transformer has to supply an energy that contain two portion. That is, one is a dissipative energy. That means if we connect a bulb across this, and if we say that an LED bulb is connected and it is fully dissipative, all the energy through the bulb will be dissipated as heat or light. And another component is an inductive component. So the purpose of the inductive component is to store the energy so that the desired current or voltage is available at the bulb. So if we say that when the voltage at this point on the secondary is 15 volt, 10 voltage is needed across the bulb, and the remaining 5 voltage is across the inductor. That means this 5 volt of energy is stored by the inductor, and the rest of the 10 volt is used by the current to pass through this. That means if an electron pass through this, the electron has to spend 10 voltage of force to overcome this resistance, and 5 voltage is needed to cross this inductor. That means, but this energy is stored. It is not a dissipative energy. We consider this is the voltage at the secondary. That means it has a peak voltage of 15 volt. At the instant, if we say that the current is 1 ampere, that means this 1 ampere current has 15 volt. So the instantaneous voltage that the transformer has to supply is 1 ampere into 15 volt. This is the total energy that the transformer has to supply. Out of this, 10 volt into 1 ampere is dissipated. This is the power. 10 volt into 1 ampere is the dissipative power across the bulb or the resistor, and the total energy the transformer has to supply is 1 ampere into 15 volt. That means the transformer has rated on the basis of VA. That means it has to supply this much of energy. The total energy supplied is 15 volt into 1 ampere. Out of it, only 1 ampere into 10 volt is used as dissipative power. What is the power dissipated by the bulb as light? So, but the transformer has to supply this much of power to the load. So that transformer cannot be rated on the basis of the watt only, as it has to supply both inductive. If the load is inductive, it has to supply the same. It has to supply both energy, even though it is used to store the energy, not dissipating the energy. It has to supply this. So the transformer has the capability to supply this much of power to the load. That is why transformer is rated on the basis of kVA, not kW. That means it has to supply the total energy, even though the dissipative energy is very less. The dissipative energy is the total energy. This energy is not fully dissipative. Only a part of the energy is only dissipative. That is 10 watt is dissipative out of the 15 VA. The transformer has to supply it. That is why we are rated the transformer as kVA.